Manual roller shade assembly. First, lay the woven bag flat along the edge of the fabric. Then, secure the woven bag in place with a stapler. Once the woven bag is attached and flattened, slide the roller tube into the slot. After the top is fitted properly, roll up the fabric all the way to the bottom. Flip the shade over to the back side. Thread a packing strap through. And staple the strap flat along the bottom edge to reinforce it. Next, slide the bottom rail into position. Once the bottom rail is installed, seal both ends of it. Align the rail with the slots and press it firmly into place. Repeat the same process for the other end. Now, let's assemble the bead chain control mechanism. First, insert the bead chain into the mechanism. Press the beads into the slot and work the chain all the way around the track. The bead chain control mechanism has corresponding slots that must align with the ones on the roller tube. These parts come in different sizes, so you need to find the right fit to slide it onto the roller tube. A proper fit means there will be no wobbling. If it's too small, it won't slide on. If it's too large, there will be gaps. For the final step, attach the handle to the bead chain. First, open the handle cover, twist it counterclockwise and lift it up. Once the cover is open, snap the bead chain into the slot on the handle. Then, twist the handle counterclockwise to tighten it securely. And that's it, the assembly is complete.